If you're looking for a gorgeous, updated home in town Orangeville with 3 bedrooms upstairs and 1 bedroom downstairs, walking distance to just about everywhere, then you need to keep watching this video. Hi, I'm John Walkinshaw from eXp Realty, and I am over the top excited to introduce you to 40 Pheasant Drive in Orangeville. This home is centrally located and close to schools and shopping and so much more. The kids that would live in this home would go to Credit Meadows School, which is one of the best schools in the area, as well as Orangeville District High School as they get older. This home is perfectly updated from every area, inside and out. 3 bedrooms upstairs, 1 bedroom downstairs, and 3 beautiful bathrooms. Let's take a peek inside. Right from opening the beautiful, gorgeous front door and walking into the entrance, you're immediately struck with the updates in this home. It's got gorgeous laminate floors. It's got an amazing solid wood railing at the staircase, beautiful LED pot lights that make it so bright, and the window of the door and the window on the front of the house that's a bay type window just has so much natural light flooding in. As you come down the hallway, you enter into this incredible kitchen. This is a custom cabinets by Barzotti kitchen with a gorgeous quartz countertop with the waterfall edges on both sides. The island itself is over 9 feet long. So much working space and so much appeal. Again, the kitchen is open to the family room area with a gorgeous gas fireplace, amazing windows, and a beautiful door that walks out onto a really nice patio in the backyard as well. The dining room is also open to the kitchen with a beautiful feature light and another large window. Again, natural light just flooding through this entire home. Being a bungalow, this floor also has 3 bedrooms. The master bedroom is a lovely large bedroom with good windows and a beautiful 3-piece ensuite and a good sized walk-in closet. Bedroom number 2 again is a beautiful room with a nice window and a good sized closet. And bedroom number 3 is also a good sized room with a nice closet and a good window overlooking the front of the home. This floor is finished with a 4-piece bathroom that's beautifully updated, right from the lighting to the sink and everything else. Let's take a peek downstairs. The downstairs of this home is incredible. Being a bungalow, again, the downstairs space is immense. We've got good high ceilings with beautiful pot lights, LED, letting in lots and lots of light. There's windows in each of the rooms for the most part that again allow some light. And the space and airiness down here is fantastic. The entire outside of the house is all open space with the furnace and everything in the middle, which is fantastic for efficiency and even heat throughout the house. You'll see that I'm standing in the family room area in the basement. It's actually open to a rec room type area, which they're currently using as a gym, but there's lots and lots of space. And in these times, there's so many people working from home. What an incredible home office right here in the basement. Again, tucked into a corner where you can have some privacy, but still be able to interact with the family when you wish. This basement also has a gorgeous bedroom, which will be perfect for an older child or for family when they visit, with 2 double closets and again, lots and lots of space. And the last space in the basement is a beautiful laundry room that's perfectly functional. Let's take a peek at the backyard. This lot is 50-foot frontage with 103-foot depth, which is lots of space for a family to use. It's nice that it actually has a fairly equal front yard and backyard area where there's beautiful grass on both sides. The backyard features a beautiful patio area and is fully fenced if you have smaller children or pets. And there's a convenient walkway right behind it if you want to go for a walk somewhere or take the kids to school. As you have heard and seen, this property has so many updates, but just a really brief summary would be the furnace is 2014, the hot water tank is 2014, the shingles on the roof are 2014, and almost everything else, including insulation, gold pot lights, and all the other items of this home, for the most part, are 2019. Windows and doors 2019, with the exception of the basement windows being 2020. How much more could you possibly ask for? It's move-in ready, turnkey by the definition of itself. If this home is of interest to you, please give me a call today. It would be an honor to serve you.